LangGraph is again another SDK, and using LangGraph, you can create a workflow, and you can create multi agents. And so this picture I generated by some AI tools based on the LangGraph documentation. So it has many features, but I don't want to go into details about that. I only want to give you some impression of how to use LangGraph in this case.
Can I just ask a question? Does LangGraph orchestrate the different agents? Is that its job? Is it?
Yeah. I'm not sure if you have any experience with some workflow system, like in Kubernetes, there's the Argo workflow, and in traditional cloud computing domain, I believe there are other tools like Airflow or something. So using that, you can build your own workflow. You can define each step, jobs. You can define, the path from one step to another. This is actually a workflow. In the industry, there is a concept called DAG, is direct DAG, acyclic graph, right? Yeah, because many workflow-based software are implemented based on that concept, and the LangGraph is the same. Using LangGraph, you define some nodes, you define some edges, you define some conditions, and based on some specific condition, LangGraph can route the request from one node to another. Right? And each node could be an agent. Right? So again, still the same example, but re-implemented using LangGraph. This one. Yeah, I only show you some critical code for the LangGraph. So in LangGraph, you should have a graph object, and with the graph object, you can create different nodes, and each node is up to you. It could be a single agent. It could be some function. So here in this example, I only have two nodes. One is the SQL data retriever, which means after receiving the question, this node will be acting first by looking at the database. For example, this question, which tables are related to this question, and after talking to the LLM, what kind of query this agent should execute in order to answer this question, right? And if necessary, because for example, sometimes after query the question, we want to see some graph, like the question I asked before.